सदाशिवसमारम्भाम् महाशाम्बविमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्ताम् वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्. I welcome you all with my love and respects. Inner awakening. Let me try to define this word. Awakening, the ultimate possibilities in you is inner awakening. Please listen. Man is only potential. Still, he has not yet become actual. So many of the dimensions in us which are possible are yet to become actual. Through this program, I awaken those possibilities in you. In Sanskrit, we have a word called Kundalini, means potential bioenergy. In every level, your potential need to be awakened. In the dimension of your health, your ability to generate and enjoy, celebrate wealth, your ability to build and celebrate relationships, your ability to feel the contentment, fulfillment, your ability to feel the joy, your ability to be enlightened, alive. In every level, awakening your possibility and helping you to realize the space of possibility means constantly feeling, experiencing, cognizing, living. Life is possible, possible, possible. Anything you think, simply your heart should sing the song possible. Your life should give the background music possible. And the world should bring it to you saying possible, happened. The space of possibility space of responsibility is space of enlightenment. Helping, supporting, enriching every individual. Helping, supporting, enriching every individual. Please listen, I am using the word every individual because you are not an individual. You are a group of people living inside one body. For some people it's a giant family, for some people it's a nuclear family, for some people it is even a hostel. But you are not one person residing inside one body. Too many people residing in one body. How many of you cognize this? You are too many people residing in one body. I'm going to awaken every individual who is living inside your body. If you are aware of the scientific researches we have conducted on this program, all human beings have a 12 strand of DNA layer. How many of you are aware of this information? You have 12 strands of DNA layer, and all human beings. Only 2 strands is awakened, functioning. One by birth, one by growing. Including Einstein, Edison, Newton, Steve Jobs, everyone has only 2 strands awakened. In Vedic tradition, we have a system, we have a very systematic processes to awaken 4 strands. Means 4 more. You are now coming here with 2, 4 more can be awakened through the systematic process. So first time when we did the scientific experiments, I committed to the doctors and to the participants, I'll awaken 4 more strands. So when they go back from the 21-day class, 6 strands will be awakened. When they come with the 2, I add 4, they will go back with 6. 2 batches we did research, once I think on 40 people, once I think on 60. All 100 participants belongs to 3 batch. There is one more sample batch we did, just 12 people. All 3 batch, all the 100 participants, 100% participants, not 99%, 100% participants had 8 strands of DNA awakened, which directly converts to high emotional quotient, intellectual quotient, balance, emotional balance, increase in restful awareness. One of the major thing the doctors found out is the hereditary disease chain is broken. If you are from the family which has a history, if a heart disease or a cancer or any major killer diseases are running in your family, feel relieved, you are in right place. With you, the chain is breaking, you will not be having the disease. Please listen. When I utter these words, I am responsible for it with integrity and authenticity and responsibility and enriching. I commit with you all. I'll awaken your DNA layers, at least 6 more. You are coming with already 2, at least 6 more. Not only that, specifically the DNA patterns which need to be awakened to free you, liberate you from the hereditary diseases like cancers and heart diseases. How many of you in your family, this kind of a killer diseases, even arthritis, or this Parkinson's, the hereditary diseases, how many of you in your family it runs through? So feel free, please understand, I commit with you, and promise you with integrity and authenticity, you are free from the disease. Just complete this 21 days sincerely. That's all. When I say sincerely, you put your efforts. That's enough. I am not asking you to do something which you can't. Whatever is possible by you, do it. Else is my responsibility. You put with your integrity and authenticity. More than that, I am responsible. Even if there is some irresponsibility from your side. And same way, the mitochondria cell energy, which is responsible for any disease or any healing. When the mitochondria cell energy goes down, usually 100 unit is the average for any healthy human being. When it goes down, naturally all the disease related to old age and disappearance of the body, the disintegration starts happening. If it goes up more than 140, anti-aging starts happening. You start growing younger. All available allopathy and therapy methods can raise only 40% of your mitochondria cell energy. Inner awakening, we have done 3 times, 3 different batches. All 100% participants had 1000% mitochondria cell energy hike. Actually, the mitochondria cell energy is the equivalent, almost closest equivalent English word for Kundalini. For Kundalini. The whole program is aiming at awakening the 4 important principles of life in you as a realization, not just as a theory, but as a realization through which naturally your Kundalini energy will be awakened. The raise of your Kundalini happens. Get ready for this beautiful inner journey, inner awakening. There are some things in the world which has beginning and end, like our body. It has a birth and death. There are some things in the world which has no beginning, only end. Illusion, delusion, Maya. It has no beginning. It will have only end. There are some things in the world which has a beginning but no end. That is inner awakening. Inner awakening only has a beginning. It has no end. It is a way of life, way of living. So I request you to get ready for this inner awakening way of life. Let's gather for next session. Thank you.